We're here in the Wave, which is the name of the new showroom for Toyota here in Abu Dhabi in the UAE. I'm told it's one of the world's largest and most advanced car showrooms that exists, so we're proud of that fact. When we came to look at the facility for the first time and imagine how we could turn it into a home for Toyota, I think one of the first challenges was working out how to make it look and feel as if it had always been planned to be a home for Toyota. We had to take into account the size. This is a really enormous facility. It's about, I think, about 9,500 square meters of showroom space, which is great if you want to display a lot of cars, but it's difficult if you're a human being and you want to walk around it. It's a lot of ground to cover. So the first thing we had to do was to consider the layout and really work on engineering a circulation system into the building that would allow or facilitate people to move around comfortably and in a really natural way. The tradition with car showrooms is to make a nice big space, cover it with cars, and then put lots of graphics or point of sale around to tell you, the features of the car and what the price is. We really wanted to move away from that. There's a floor, a space within the showroom, right on the first floor. We call it the Toyota Design Studio. It's an area where people can configure a car. They can pick any car from the range and play with it as they would a car configurator on a website or a video game at home. There's an area for children and family members to hang out. We call it the Toyota Family Zone. The focus there is on creating a really nice play space and relaxation space. There are electric cars for small children so they can learn to drive for the first time. When thinking about the interior design, the impression that we set out to create was one of a minimal, really clean, and with really beautiful lighting that would offset the cars, make them look sort of like jewels standing on the floor. So we've really tried to approach that in a very simple, consistent way.